I think the ability for the technology platforms to be able to enable new fintech ideas very quickly, I think is clearly a most important agenda. I'll explain what that means really. I think a lot of the old organizations have a lot of old and legacy architecture, and there's lots of new disruptions taking place in technology, some from fintech and some from various other areas. I think the ability for the technology platform to be able to enable these new ideas digitally and to be able to provide their customers with experience which is really very effective, I think is the main area of focus in my mind. So that's clearly the big agenda, both for the tech company and as well as for the banks. I think, having spent more than 30 years managing operations and technology globally, I think there was a period where we moved from branches to call centers as a way to communicate with customers, and then came the dot-com time where the internet became far stronger and better to communicate and do banking for customers. Thereafter, we've moved into mobile. Mobile first. Today, smartphones and mobile is the way in which we do things. The mobile itself is evolving. So we've got apps. Today you do touch ID, tomorrow you'll do facial recognition, voice recognition. So I think there is this whole evolution of change on the mobile that's taking place. But I think the single biggest distribution channel that is going to make a big difference is the chat. So you should be able to do everything through a chat, whether it's making a payment, whether it's asking for a transaction to be done, a query, and over a period of time your chat, which is pretty much like your WhatsApp, you can ask it question, what's my bank balance, and it'll tell you what it is. So I think that whole approach of being able to do everything on a chat, I think is really the next big thing from a distribution channel and a customer convenience perspective.